Hello students, we have learned first chapter, second chapter. Now we start third chapter. Name of the third chapter is linear partial differential equation. We have to learn in this chapter linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. How we find the general solution of linear partial differential equation. When auxiliary equation, how we find auxiliary equation, if auxiliary equation has repeated roots or if auxiliary equation has non-repeated roots, then how can we write the solution. Now general form of linear partial differential equation is this, that is general form is capital A0 into dou raised to n by dou x raised to n of z plus a1 into dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n minus 1 into dy plus and so on up to the capital An into dou raised to n z by dou y raised to n plus b0 into dou raised to n minus 1 z by dou x raised to n minus 1 plus b1 into dou raised to n minus z by d dou x raised to n minus 2 into y plus bn minus 1 into dou raised to n minus 1 z by dou y raised to n minus 1 plus up to the so on capital M0 into dou z by dou x plus M1 into dou z by dou y plus N0 into z is equal to f of xy, small f of xy. So this is the general linear partial differential equation in this form, where a0 instead of capital A0 you can take small a1 a0 also, a0 a1 a2 up to the an comma b0 b1 b2 up to the bn minus 1 plus and so on up to the m0 comma m1 comma n0. So these are the constants or these are the functions of x and y. If a0 a1 a2 an b0 b1 bn minus 1 not here plus comma m0 m1 n0, if these are constants or these are constant coefficient, then this linear partial differential equation is said to be a linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Now for your simplification, we denote dou by dou x by the letter capital D and dou by dou y by the letter capital D dash. So for your simplification, we denote D is equal to dou by dou x and D dash is equal to dou by dou y. Therefore, what is d raised to n? D raised to n is the nth partial derivative with respect to x. Dou raised to n by dou x raised to n. And d dash raised to n is equal to nth partial derivative with respect to y. Dou raised to n by dou y raised to n. So these are the symbols. D dash and d raised to n and d dash raised to n. Now if you use these symbols in equation 1, so what we get? So you write that. Then equation 1 can be written as a0 into d is equal to dou by dou x. Therefore, this is the d raised to n plus a1 into dou raised to n by dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n minus 1 means this can be written as d raised to n minus 1 into d dash plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 into d double dash plus and so on up to the an into d dash raised to n. Then plus b0 into d raised to n. This is the derivative, partial derivative with respect to x. D raised to n minus 1 plus b1 into d raised to n minus 2 into d dash plus up to the bn minus 1, then d dash raised to n minus 1, then plus m0 into dou z by dou x means d plus m1 into d dash plus n0 into z is equal to f of xy. So equation 1 can be written if you operator d is one operator, d dash is another operator, one becomes this. Again this can be written as f of d dash operated on z is equal to small xy. So equation 2 is the linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients if the coefficients arises in that partial differential equation are constants. Now, so this is a linear partial differential equation. Now how we find its general solution? Now this equation 2, the general solution of equation 2 has two parts. So one part is complementary function or complementary solution. Complementary solution or complementary function. And second part is particular integral. Particular integral. Again, how you find the complementary function or what is complementary function? Complementary function is a solution of f of d dash operated on z is equal to 0. When f of xy is equal to 0, you get its solution. The solution of f of d dash operated on z is equal to 0, and that solution is the complementary function or complementary solution. And the particular integral is the value of z in terms of xy which satisfy the given partial differential equation which is free from constants or which do not consider or which do not have the arbitrary constant. Such type is said to be, or such type of solution is called the particular integral. And the total solution or general solution of linear partial differential equation is z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So general solution is z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Now first we see in this chapter how you find the complementary function. Complementary function means solution of f of d dash of return z is equal to 0, means when f of xy is 0. And particular integral means, so it is the value of z in terms of xy. So we find there are so many methods to find the particular integral. Now we see one theorem without proof. If z is equal to f1 xy, z is equal to, you take f1 xy or phi1 xy, phi2 xy, and z is equal to phi n xy if are solutions of f of d dash operated on z is equal to f of xy, then z is equal to phi 1 xy plus phi 2 xy plus phi 3 xy plus phi n xy is also its solution. Is also its solution. Is also its solution means z is equal to phi 1 xy plus phi 2 xy plus phi n xy is also a solution of this equation. F of d dash operated on z is equal to f of xy. So using this we find the lastly general solution. So proof is not interested. Homogeneous linear partial differential equation homogeneous linear partial differential equation. You say that f of d dash operated on z is equal to f of xy is homogeneous linear partial differential equation if f of d dash is a homogeneous in d and d dash. It is said to be a non-homogeneous partial differential equation if this equation is not homogeneous. Then we learn homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Means you have to find homogeneous means, so your f of d dash, what is f of d dash? F of d dash is a polynomial in d and d dash. So this can be written as a0 into d raised to n plus a1 into d raised to n minus 1 into d dash plus a2 into d raised to n minus 2 into d double dash and so on up to the an into d dash raised to n operated on z is equal to f of x1. So this is the homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Now this can be written as a0 dou raised to n by dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n plus a1 into dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n minus 1 into dou y plus and so on up to the an into dou raised to n z by dou y raised to n operated on z is equal to f of xy. So this is the homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So next lecture we see if f of d dash or this polynomial has, how you find the auxiliary equation and how you find the solution. When auxiliary equation has repeated roots, we find a solution. When auxiliary equation has not repeated roots, and how you write the solution of homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So we stop here. Thank you.